Hey guys, today we have an empties video. So here are some of the things that I have used up recently. I think this is in like the last month or so, maybe. I don't know. Anyway, first thing we have here are the Bath & Body Works Bath Salt Soak. In the scent Santa's Blueberry Shortbread. These were incredible. Oh, they smell so good. I've got a candle in this scent. It smells absolutely amazing. Yeah, I really liked them. I think they smell so good. I wish that they did bath salts more often because I really like bath salts. Yeah, I really liked them. If they come out again at Christmas, I will be repurchasing them. I used up the Body Shop Warm Vanilla Shower Gel. This one smelled really good as well. Oh, yum. Yeah, I did really like it. I really like the Body Shop shower gels. I think they're really good. This was part of a Christmas collab. Or not collab, Christmas collection. So once again, yeah, if they bring it out again, I will be purchasing it. I feel like Christmas scents and like limited edition scents are like my favourite. So I also used up the Shea shower gel from the Body Shop. This is one of my all-time favourite scents from the Body Shop. It smells absolutely incredible. It's so fresh, and I feel like it's something that either like men or women can use because it's just such like a, I mean obviously you can use whatever you want, but like I feel like it's just such a like gender neutral scent. Do you know what I mean? Like, oh, it just smells so good. It's really like unisex. That's the word, yeah. I really like it. This is the Warm Vanilla exfoliating sugar scrub from the Body Shop. Once again, this one came out at Christmas. It smells so good. I really liked this, by the way. I felt like it was, because you know how sometimes you get scrubs and they're way too abrasive? I feel like this one was really nice. I really liked the consistency of it. So yeah, I would definitely be getting that one again. As for the Shea one, I'm pretty sure I've already got backups, so I don't need to repurchase it. I used up the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation. This is one of my all-time favourite foundations. I love it. This is the matte one. Mine is in the shade 140. I want to buy it, but just not yet because I still have so many foundations that I need to get through. But once I get my foundation collection down a little bit, I definitely think I'll be buying more of that. This I'm so upset about. This is the I don't know how to say it. It's the Huda Beauty's perfume range. I don't know how to say it. I think it's Aaliyah. I don't know. But this is the vanilla scent, and this one, oh, it's one of my all-time favourite perfumes. For me to use up a perfume, it takes a lot. Obviously, it's only a small bottle, but it smells absolutely incredible. And I do really want to buy this, like, right away. But I am trying not to spend money at the moment or, like, buy anything else. But I think I'll make an exception for that because I absolutely love it. And I want to buy the full size, so. This is the Lebang Body Scrub. This one was in the shade scent Watermelon. This smelled really good. Mine broke ages ago, like the lid, I dropped it. But yeah, I used it up. It is a really nice scent, but I feel like I have body scrubs that I like more, and like the scent is like really nice, but it's I definitely have scents and stuff that I like more. So yeah, I'm happy I got it. I'm also happy it's like used up. Their body scrubs are a lot more like abrasive, so they're really good for like once a week in the shower, I feel like. Because I feel like they get everything off. They make you feel like super clean, but it's not something that I would use every day because I feel like it would be good for you to use it every day. I don't know. But yeah, I do really like Lebang Body. I used up the Kerasilk Smoothing Sleek Spray, but I think this is like the heat protector one. Is that? Maybe it's not. Yeah, no, it is, sorry. I really, really like this. I think it smells so good. I was going to repurchase it before I went to the Gold Coast, but they didn't have it in stock, so I got a Goldwell one, which I do really like as well. This one's probably my favourite one. Oh, this is Goldwell, lol. But I'd got another Goldwell one, just not the Kerasilk one. But yeah, I really like this. I also used up some Goldwell Just Smooth conditioner. I'm about to use up my shampoo, and then I've already like bought backups of this because I love this stuff so much. It's really good. I've been using it for like maybe a couple of years now. I think it's really good. I feel like it makes my hair quite healthy. Like I feel like my hair was quite short and now it's quite long. So I do really like that shampoo. I think it's really, really nice. I used up a British Rose shower gel from the Body Shop. I absolutely love this scent. I think it's incredible. Oh, it smells so good. It's super like, it's not like a sweet rose. It smells more like a floral rose. I absolutely love it. opposed, like, it's not like Rose Jam from Lush. I feel like that one's more sweet, and don't get me wrong, I love that one as well, but this one smells more like floral, if that makes sense. I used up a Snow Fairy shower gel from Lush. I love this. It's such a good scent. I feel like it's one of those cult favorite products. It's really like sweet. I used up the Candy Wonderland body scrub from Royal Essence. I actually really liked this. I really liked the smell of it, and I really liked the consistency of the body scrub, plus you get jewelry in it, so I think it's just really fun. But yeah, I really did like that one. I've got a couple of Royal Essence backups, so I don't feel the need to repurchase it at the moment, but like with Royal Essence I try out as many scents as I can, if you know what I mean. Yeah, I did really like that scrub. Used up the Benefit Boing Cakeless Concealer. Once again, it's only a small one, but I absolutely love it. I think this is one of my all-time favourite concealers, and like the Fenty, when I get down my collection down a little bit, I do want to repurchase it because I think it's amazing. I used up the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. I honestly don't really remember much of it. Like, I feel like Tatcha's so expensive, and it didn't really like it didn't really have that much of an effect on me that I remember like a whole lot about it. So, and then I put this on in my empties because it's got a little bit yucky, but this is the Watermelon Face Milk from Colourpop, or Fourth Ray Beauty. This was the one that they came out with when they did the Colourpop Land, which I absolutely love that collection. But I really like their face milks. I've got one up in the bathroom at the moment. I think it's in Rose, and I think their face milks are really good. I really like them. I feel like they sink into the skin super fast. They don't make your skin feel sticky, but they do a good job of hydrating them. So, hydrating your skin. So yeah, I do really enjoy these face milks, and yeah, I've got a couple more left. So yeah, that was everything for this month, or however long it's been. Yeah, this year I'm really trying to use things up, so I'm on a little bit of a mission to, you know, really get through some things. So I'm pretty happy with the progress that's being made at the moment. I'm hoping that I can use up, you know, maybe at least like 50 products or something this year, because I have so much stuff. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.